Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. This is the second tutorial in the Go Chi MongoDB series. So this will be a short lecture because I want to talk about the application structure. Actually, I want to make it some kind robust, not very robust and not very simple, so we'll create many packages and they will distribute the application, all files in two packages. So we will separate the DB stuff from the handlers, from the logic, from everything else. So let's talk about it. First of all, we will start from the HTTP request. The client will make a request and request will go to the router, the Chi router. The router will call a handler and the handler have access to the service. I will explain what is the service, and in the handler we will do everything we need except the database logic. For example, we will get the query parameters from the URL, we will validate the fields, we will do some calculations, but all the DB logic will be inside the service or the domain. So the domain is the only part of our application that can access the DB. As we see here, domain or service, it's the access DB logic. We will use Redis also. I didn't mention this, I think, in the first tutorial. We will use Redis for caching, so it's just for the performance stuff. So when we make a query to the database, we will check if the data is in Redis, we will get it. If not, we will get it from the DB, we will update the Redis, we will go back to the domain. So HTTP request, go to the router, router refers everything to the handler, and the handler can access the service. It will be struct, have the service field. The handler will do the validation, not related DB logic, and the service or the domain, or you can call it anything you want, it will access the DB logic, and all the models, it will be inside a models package. So the service will access the models. I don't know how can I use this, so yes, let's do it like so. Also, we will have another additional package. We will need this package, for example, errors. We will make some specific errors, and we will make helpers package to create helpers functions to make our life simple and easy. Types, I will talk about the types, what is it and why we will use it, and of course we will add many other things, but this is the general structure now. We will adapt it many times. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys, see you in another tutorial. Thank you.